is running out.
Nature is not a place to visit, it is home.
The earth does not belong to us. We belong to the earth.
We only have one planet. Let's not destroy it.
Nature doesn't need people, but people need nature.
Nature is everything outside that isn't made by people. It's trees, plants, animals, mountains and rivers and oceans. It's the fresh air that we breathe and the places where animals live. Nature is like a big, beautiful world full of wonders and life that we can explore and enjoy.
Look around us. Do you see trees nearby? Trees are really important for us and for all the animals that live on Earth. Trees give off oxygen. Oxygen is a gas that we need to breathe and live. So, trees help make the air around us clean and fresh by giving us oxygen to breathe. Do you know that we are killing trees every day? Do you know that we are destroying Mother Nature as we speak?
Deforestation. Deforestation is when trees are cut down and removed from a forest. This can happen because people need wood for building things, or they clear the land for farming or building houses. Deforestation can change the environment and cause animals to lose their habitat.
Pollution. Pollution happens when harmful substances or chemicals contaminate the soil and land. This pollution can come from trash, factories and also farms. When the land gets polluted, it can hurt plants, animals and even people who live nearby.
Climate change. Climate change is when the Earth's temperature gets warmer because of gases in the air trapping heat from the sun. Burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas releases greenhouse gases that contribute to global warming, affecting plants, animals, and weather patterns. Climate change can stress trees by altering their natural habitats, causing more extreme weather like drought or storms, and making it harder for them to grow and survive. Imagine what will happen to the animals if we keep on cutting down trees.
Imagine what will happen to the plants if we don't control pollution. Imagine what will happen if Mother Nature is destroyed. Will there even be a future?
Let's make a difference. We are still not too late. There are many ways where we can help save the nature and conserve the environment.
Reduce, reuse, recycle. Use less plastic and other materials that can harm the environment. Reuse items when possible and recycle to reduce waste.
Conserve water.
Use water wisely by fixing leaks, taking shorter showers, and using water-saving appliances.
Use renewable energy. Support clean energy sources like solar and wind power, which reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Reduce carbon footprint. Walk, bike, or use public transportation instead of driving.
Plant trees. Planting trees helps to restore forests and green spaces. Educate others. Spread awareness about the importance of nature conservation and inspire others to take action.
By making small changes in our daily lives and supporting efforts to protect nature, We can all contribute to preserving the environment for future generations. Remember, we don't inherit the nature from our ancestors, but we borrow it from our children.
Nature is our greatest treasure. Let's cherish and protect it with every choice we make.
Together, we can preserve biodiversity and create a healthier planet for all.
Together, we can make a difference.
Together, we are the guardians of green.